Well, hi there pluckers, Ivor Sawfingers again with you. Thanks for joining me for part 2 of my lessons on the wonderful land from the shadows, of course. Okay, so hopefully you will have seen part 1. If not, please go and see part 1 because then it probably makes more sense. Okay, so in part 1 we covered how to play the intro, the outro and the complete verse 1, what I call verse 1, which was split into 2 parts, part 1 and part 2 of the verse. Okay, I showed you both the rhythm chord wise and the and obviously the lead line. Okay, so as we progressed through the song, we did the intro and we completed complete verse 1, which is both parts of it, part 1 and part 2. When you come out of the first verse, you basically repeat the first part of the verse again, which is this. Right, and we don't do part 2 the second time round, we go into the bridge section. Okay, the chords to that part are exactly the same as it was the first time round. Okay, the only thing slightly different on the lead line, on that first part of the verse where you second time round, this bit is slightly different. So I'm just going, instead of going, you go that note there, you did a little twirl on it, or twiddle. So instead of just going, you go dan da da dan, and the same when you come to the next bit, this bit. So just instead of going 2 hits, you do dan. Okay, so the whole thing now is okay. It's the only difference the second time around you play it. Okay, so I say you only play the first half of the verse at that point. You don't go into the second bit of the verse, and we go into the bridge section instead, which is that muted echoey bit. And then into another verse. Okay, so the muted bit. Okay, now the chords. We'll do the chords first. Underneath the lead line, where it goes da 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 and into another verse. Yeah, so the chords for the bridge section are C, E minor, F and G, and you do that round twice. Okay, so it's now back to C, G, F, G, E minor, stay there, and then into another verse. Okay, so it's just very slowly. C, G, F, G, E minor. Okay, and into another verse. Okay, again it's only the first half again of the verse, so we repeat the first half of the verse again at that point. Now the lead bit for this bridge section, what I do is, obviously he's using a lot of echo echo effect on this. But what I do is I palm mute back edge of the hand here, resting on the thin strings somewhere near the bridge, somewhere, so you get that muffled sort of plucky sort of sound, yeah. And what I'm doing is, and I'm to emit the echo, I'm just doing that all the time. That sort of picking. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So. Okay, so that's it. That's mimicking the echo effect. Okay, so it's constant on every, and you just play the notes through that picking. Okay. Right then, boys and girls, the notes. So here we go. So starting on the 8th fret of the top E string. So we go 8 on the top E, 7 on the top E, and then 8 on the 2nd. So then we go to the 5th on the top E. Then we go for a single on the 8th fret of the top E, and then back to the 5th on the top E. Got that slowly. Two hits on the 8th fret of the 2nd. Then 5 single on the 5th on the 2nd. So as far as we got. Then 7 on the 3rd and 5 on the 3rd. And that's the first phrase, yeah? Second phrase starts off exactly the same, 8th fret top E, then 7 on the top E and 8 on the 2nd, 2 hits on the 5th on the top E, 1 on the 8th of the top E, 1 on the 5th of the top E, and finishing on the 8th on the 2nd. So got that? Okay, so the two together. Okay, and then we go up here, 12th fret top E string, still muting. So that's 12 on the top E, 10 on the top E, and then 12 on the 2nd. Then we do some single picks. We do 13 on the 2nd string, to 10 on the top E. Back to the 13 on the 2nd, 12 on the 2nd, 10 on the 2nd. So 12 top E, 10 top E, 12 on the 2nd, singles, 13 on the 2nd, 10 on the 1st, back to 13 on the 2nd, 12 on the 2nd, 10 on the 2nd. And then we do 9 on the 3rd. And then finally, for this little mini phrase, 8 on the 2nd. Finish on 8 on the 2nd. So you've got. So let's start again. Right, slowly. Okay, and then you can take the mute off and make this little E minor shape. 9th fret of the 3rd, 8th fret of the 2nd, 7th fret of the top E. and you just go 3, 2, 1, 2. Repeat that. You can do that about 3 or 4 times, yeah. 3 times, and then we go into the lead for the first part of the verse again. Okay, another first half of the verse. Okay, so coming out of the bit prior to the bridge section we've just done, so it comes where it goes. There's one half of the verse, yeah. Sorry. Right, bridge section. Right, and at that point we do the first half of the verse yet again, exactly the same as usual, and that is followed by another bridge section, that bit again. So we do that, and then we're into the outro, which is the same as the intro. Yeah, so we come out of that okay, so the sequence is intro, a full verse, that's part 1 of the verse and part 2 of the verse. Then we do part 1 of the verse, a bridge section, another part 1 of the verse, and then another bridge section, and then the outro. And that's the whole song. So you've got all the chords you need, all the rhythm parts that I've shown you, and you've got all the leads. Hopefully that all makes sense to you, and play along with my playthrough if you fancy it, or the real thing. Get hold of the Shadows and play along with them. It's in the same key, so you should have no problem. Thanks very much for watching, listening, and hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.